Sohrab Izad's Steps to Success Amazon course. Is it a scam? Is it worth your money? I'm going to give you guys my take on this. So just so you guys have some context, this is not the first Amazon course that I've taken. I've been in the game for almost 3 years now, so I've been through many Amazon courses. I've done lots of trainings and stuff like that. I even have an agency that helps other Amazon sellers with listing optimization and stuff like that. So I have a pretty good idea of what the landscape is like. And the first thing I want to mention about Sohrab's course is that 90% of Amazon courses are all the exact same stuff. The material is going to be the same. They're going to be teaching you the same tactics and techniques and stuff. So really, to me, the big differentiator is the person who's the teacher. So Sohrab, he's a lot more transparent than a lot of the Amazon people out there. He's sharing his numbers publicly on his YouTube channel. He even launched a product publicly, a Bluetooth speaker, right from the beginning all the way through to the end to show the audience the entire process, just so he's not, he's not bullshitting like some of the other gurus out there. I got some screenshots actually. I'm not going to share them publicly. One really big Amazon guru out there who has he has photoshopped one of his screenshots of how much money he's making. So you want to be careful, guys. Another thing to consider, Sohrab is not a first-time entrepreneur. He has had a very successful business before he ever started in Amazon. He built a 7-figure construction renovations company in, I think, 1.5 years. And then he moved into real estate, flipping, buying properties and then building them up to sell at a higher profit. And then he got into Amazon. So he has a lot of business experience dealing with stuff like cash flow, hiring employees, scaling, all very important skills. Whereas a lot of these, well, I'd say most of the Amazon quote-unquote gurus out there, this is their first time they're successful. They're like a 22-year-old guy who, this is their first business and they just figured this out and it's working for them. So maybe they can teach you Amazon, but a lot of the really core business fundamentals, they're not going to be able to give their actual experience on it because they don't have any. And the last thing that I'm going to mention here, Sohrab only takes on a small amount of students, and that allows him to give a lot more one-on-one time, a lot more time responding to messages in the private Facebook group, a lot more time actually on one-on-one calls and on group webinars with the group. A lot of these, the bigger ones, the louder gurus out there, they are so big, they have so many thousands of students that there's no way they could possibly give one-on-one attention to all of these students. And that's really important when you're going through the beginning phases, especially in Amazon. You have tons of questions. The most common ones are around product research. Like, you want to be sure that the product that you're pulling the trigger on is actually the right one to go for. And Sohrab had, he's very helpful to everyone involved in the course, giving actual one-on-one feedback and saying, hey, this product maybe isn't the best one to go for, or yeah, sure, that's good to pull the trigger on, and that's really reassuring, right? So honestly, I think it's one of the best options if you're looking to get into Amazon. He is probably the best teacher that I've come across so far, so I would definitely recommend checking him out. If you go through my link in the description, I'll add some bonuses onto that. So you get $200 in Kenji ROI credits towards listing optimization services, like some of the stuff in the background, the copywriting, the product photography, enhanced brand content, stuff you need to build your Amazon business anyways. And you also get access to another course that's worth $500. So that's like $700 worth of bonuses for Sohrab's course. And I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, well, yeah, this guy's just promoting it to get the affiliate commissions and stuff like that. But in this game, if you're recommending someone else's course, it's on you, right? So like, I have this reputation in the Amazon community that I really value, and Kenji ROI, my company, is attached to that. So if I recommend someone's course and it's garbage and they rip people off, then that reflects poorly on me and my reputation is screwed, and I absolutely don't want to do that. So I'm only honestly recommending this to you because I've been through the course, I've seen that he is good. I've spent a lot of time with Sohrab personally. I've interviewed him on my podcast twice now actually, and I've done a few Facebook Lives in his group. So I'm confident that Sohrab is actually one of the best coaches out there and gives that one-on-one mentorship that you need. So to get those bonuses, click through the link below, and I would at least recommend checking out his, he's got like a 3-day course or something like that. So you can get a preview. You don't have to pay anything for that, guys. So check out the link below.